In 2016, researchers at ASU proposed a way to refreeze the Arctic using 10 million small, wind-powered buoy pumps. Each device would spray a thin layer of seawater over about 1/10 of a square kilometer, thickening winter ice by roughly a meter. The cost, nearly $500 billion, around $50 billion per year for a decade. But each micropump could move only a few liters of water per second, enough for local ice thickening, not for global climate restoration, and with no capacity for CO2 removal. The SnowPanel system transforms that vision into deployable engineering. Instead of millions of fragile buoys, SnowPanel uses 336 industrial-scale vertical centrifugal pumps, each moving 200,000 gallons per minute over 12 cubic meters per second, mounted on lighthouse-class towers, ships, and bridges across the polar oceans. Together, they process 1,348 gigatons of seawater every year, producing 772 gigatons of artificial snow and ice, while removing 52 gigatons of CO2 from the ocean atmosphere system. The result is a measurable minus 0.201 degrees Celsius of global cooling per year, reversing the warming trend itself. Thermodynamically, small windmill pumps fail because they lack both pressure head and throughput. A few liters per second cannot overcome the latent heat barrier of ocean freezing. SnowPanel's high-flow centrifugal pumps draw from deep carbon-rich water 2.3 to 2.4 millimoles of dissolved CO2 per liter at minus 2 degrees Celsius and transform it through Venturi-misted freezing, trapping carbon permanently within the cryosphere. From a single 10-megawatt wind turbine powering 2 SnowPanel pumps, 8 gigatons of seawater can be processed each year, locking away 1/3 of a gigatons of CO2. It is wind energy converted directly into frozen stability, a scalable, measurable solution ready for deployment. This is SnowPanel, science and technology you can build today.